Skud Bukit. So why you looking at me like that? I'm the type of cat to swing and try and fight back. As a matter of fact, hand-to-hand combat like on back. Better react or feel the impact. I stack bodies in rap, I rap and bodies collapse. Perhaps I'm slightly misgiven in facts. Either way, shit, I'm leaving here haps. Like I just swiped right and caught some bitch on an app. It's Skud Bukit, bitch, and this is where it's at. Top flooring in flats. No man, I'm kicking back. Smoking on a sack, sipping on a yak. Got a fine bitch chilling in my lap. Man, I come to kill it, and that's just a fact. They let me loose just to dribble on the track. I got militant and hit you with that. Spitting riddles with these complex inner visions in my own style of rap, so check that.